Breakfast time, guys? Huh, Coda? Is it? Shadow? Is it breakfast time? Is it? I don't know. Looks like Dad might be making your breakfast. I guess Coda's feeling better. Okay, dinner. Dinner. Good boy, Coda. Tasha, dinner. Tasha. Tasha, dinner. Get over there. Good girl. Good girl, Shadow.
Free.